Hi everybody, I'm Lady Red and this is Lady Red's Tech Reviews. Today we're going to take a quick look and unbox the Cricket Icon 2 by Cricket Wireless. So stay here, leave a like if you enjoy the content, drop a comment if you have any questions, and as always, subscribe to my channel, ring that bell, and get all the notifications for the new videos. So this is going to be a super quick unboxing. We're not going to get too deep into the settings or the camera. We're just going to get it out, take a look at the device, the Cricket Icon 2, and see what it's all about. So let's take a look. Okay, so here we have it. An Android smartphone with large 6-inch HD plus display with scratch resistant Dragon Trail glass, 5 megapixel rear camera with LED flash, and 5 megapixel front camera with screen flash. Long lasting 3400 mAh battery, Android 10 Go edition, 16 gigs of internal storage, and a 2-year worry-free warranty. So let's get it out and take a look. And the screen, this tape, somebody got into this before I could, but it hasn't been set up yet, so let's get it out. Here we have the device. It's got some definite weight to it. Your SIM card that comes with every phone. Volume 1 of Stuff People Don't Read. Volume 2 of Stuff People Don't Read. And Volume 3 of Stuff People Don't Read. We have Type-C charging. That's an improvement. And we have the charging block. And I would be correct. 1 amp charging, not fast charging. Let's put all. It's got some definite weight to it. I can definitely feel that bigger battery, that 3400 milliamp per hour battery. And if you're pulling this out of a box, make sure you take off the little protector off your camera lens. So there's going to be your flash and your 5 megapixel camera, Cricket tramp stamp, rear firing speaker. On the front, I see a notch. And your 5 megapixel selfie cam, Type-C charging, a microphone, and 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, and another mic. You're going to have no Google Assistant key. I am relieved to see that. I do not enjoy the Google Assistant key. You have your power button and volume rocker. Let's fire it up. One more thing I'd like to point out. You notice there's no SIM tray. The back is removable. But the battery is not. There would be the slot for your SD card and for your SIM card. Again, the battery does not come out. Okay, so we've got it all set up, and right out the box, I'm noticing the display looks really, really good. And of course, we have this handy dandy, my favorite Android 10 feature where you set the phone up twice. We're not going to do that right now. This is not the fastest phone I've ever had my hands on. But we are dealing with an Android Go phone. So you've got Gmail Go, Gallery Go instead of Google Photos. And your basic Google Android Go suite, which is very limited. In the settings, we're going to turn off auto rotate. And here we go. Let's check out what's built into this. Now, again, keep in mind, this is an Android Go phone, and you're not going to be able to run the same apps on this phone that you would many others, because it is just not capable of it. The apps won't even download to it. So this, just like the Icon, the first one, you're going to be looking at this as a talk and text phone, a basic phone for basic phone use. But of course, pre-downloaded, we have HBO Max. If you don't want that, you can disable it, but you can't take it out. And if you are a Cricut customer, ask your sales rep how you can get your first month of HBO Max for free. You got your Maps Go edition, Facebook Lite, messaging, mobile services. As with every unboxing you have ever seen on my channel, this is how you turn it off. You're going to go to mobile data and Wi-Fi, turn that off. Then you're going to go to permissions, make sure it says 0, deny it. That's what you want to see. If it is allowed, deny it. And disable the app. This is an app tracker. This will track your movements on the internet and what you're searching for, music you're listening to, videos you're watching, and sends you ads. And sometimes download things in the background based on your activity. Pluto TV, we're going to uninstall that. That's how you uninstall. And there we are. Now, when you get this out and you put your Google account on it, other games may download, but this is how you take them out if you don't want them. Just like that. Easy peasy. If your phone starts lagging, your battery is draining, you're using too much data, look for apps that don't belong and take those out. Let's check and see. No updates out the box. That's good. There's your information, Android 10, and this is a Go edition. So, there we are. Your first quick look at the settings. Now, let's take a look at what's in the phone. The display really doesn't look that bad. That's very vibrant. There is no notch. In spite of what looked like a ghost line up here, there's no notch. But the bezels, I've seen bigger. Your app drawer, that's where everything's going to be. And so, very limited apps here. Camera features. Landscape. Let's see if we can get it to do No, we can't get it to do it. So, camera features are going to be limited. There's a timer. You can change your picture size. Ooh, a very small one there. Very small. And filters, stickers. Beauty mode, okay. So you can take a picture with it. And without it, turn it off. There we go. So without beauty mode, it's picking up this green back here really, really bright. And okay, hold up. Let's try it again. That's just a little too soft. I don't think I like it. I'm not a huge fan of filters anyway, but it's really blurry. Really, really blurry.
It's almost like it has a beauty mode on it, like
that's the beauty mode, yeah.
Yeah,
It's terrible.
That's beauty mode.
I don't like it. All right, so beauty mode is for somebody else. I don't like it. I don't like filters. I am unfiltered in every way. For those of you who actually do know me, there's a handful of my customers that come in that do watch my channel. Y'all already know I am unfiltered. So that being said, there is no Google newsfeed here. This is an Android Go edition. This is the Cricut Icon 2. I will not likely be making an in-depth video for this device. You can contact your local retailer for pricing and availability, and stay all the way to the end of the video for the specs. All right, so there you have it. The cricket icon too. Tell me what you think about it. Be unfiltered. Drop it down in the comments. I want to hear from you. And I want you to subscribe to my channel, so be sure you do that. Stay all the way to the end, because following this is going to be the spec screen. And yeah, the spec screen. See all the fantastic specs. But I worked really hard on it, so stick around and take a look at it. Thank you so much for watching. Y'all have a fantastic day. See you in the next video.